Hi everyone, this video will explore the hidden genetic factors that can adversely affect mental health. From the nuances of gene-environment interactions to specific gene variations linked to mental disorders, we dive deep into how our DNA shapes psychological resilience and vulnerability. Discover how genetics plays a role in mental health and what this means for you and your loved ones. Where we delve into the intricate world of genetics and mental health. While many discussions focus on lifestyle and environmental impacts, it's essential to understand the genetic factors that can influence mental well-being. In this video, we'll uncover how your DNA can predispose you to mental health challenges, shedding light on the complex interplay between genetics and mental health. Genetic predispositions to mental health disorders like depression, anxiety, bipolar disorder, and schizophrenia often run in families, suggesting a genetic component. We'll explore the concept of genetic predisposition, explaining how certain inherited genetic variations can increase the likelihood of developing these conditions. Learn about the heritability of mental health disorders and how family history plays a crucial role. Gene-environment interactions. Genetics alone don't determine mental health outcomes. Instead, they interact with environmental factors in complex ways.
This section will focus on gene-environment interactions, illustrating how stress, trauma, and lifestyle choices can activate or suppress genetic tendencies towards mental health disorders. Understand the delicate balance between nature and nurture.
Specific genes and mental health research has pinpointed several genes associated with mental health conditions. For instance, the serotonin transporter gene 5-HTT-LPR is linked to depression and anxiety, while the COMT gene affects dopamine regulation and is associated with schizophrenia. We'll dive into these specific genetic findings, explaining how variations in these genes can influence brain function and mental health. Epigenetics. Beyond DNA, epigenetics involves changes in gene expression without altering the underlying DNA sequence, often influenced by environmental factors. We'll explore how epigenetic modifications can impact mental health, with examples such as how childhood trauma can lead to long-lasting changes in gene expression that increase vulnerability to mental disorders. Polygenic risk scores. Recent advances in genetics have led to the development of polygenic risk scores, which assess the combined effect of multiple genetic variants on an individual's risk of developing mental health conditions. We'll explain how these scores work and their potential use in predicting mental health risks, as well as the ethical considerations and limitations of this emerging field. Genetic counseling and mental health. Genetic counseling can help individuals understand their genetic risks for mental health disorders.
This section will discuss the role of genetic counselors in assessing family history, interpreting genetic test results, and providing guidance on managing genetic risks. Learn how genetic counseling can be a valuable tool for individuals and families dealing with inherited mental health challenges.
As we wrap up our exploration of genetic factors impacting mental health, it's evident that our DNA significantly shapes our psychological resilience and vulnerability. By understanding these genetic influences, we can better navigate the complexities of mental health and seek appropriate support and interventions. Join us in this journey of discovery, empowering yourself with knowledge about the genetic underpinnings of mental well-being. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to this channel and press the like button that will improve people engagement with the channel.